videos have gotten so crazy that people think we fake them. This is a real explosion. 3, 2, 1!
I don't even have any words. Everybody in the entire state.
Let's see if the eggs survive. Oh my gosh. Bro, the back of the safe is gone.
Bro, it broke the foundation. There's a whole crack in the floor.
It seems like they put all their effort in the 37,000-pound door and not the walls of the safe. And the egg did not survive. If you ever want to rob a bank, just buy 100 grand worth of TNT. In the meantime, Adam had been going all night building his structure.